Hello everybody and welcome. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to hack gem in Monsters Legends. But before we start the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like and leave a good comment. As you see, most of you are not subscribed. As you see, 91.7% are not subscribed and 8.3% are subscribed. So please subscribe to the channel. Motivate me. So yeah, without further ado, let's go to our video. So yeah, as I told you, I'm gonna hack gems. As you see, I have 9. Let me expand this. I have 9. Minimize this. So yeah, make sure to attach the correct process to the game or to the emulator. So as you see, I'm gonna try to find the correct process by increasing and decreasing food. So yeah, let's start. As you see, this is my emulator. As you see, so as I told you, I'm gonna increase and decrease the food value. So yeah, let me attach this, and yeah, first scan, nothing showed here. Let's try another process. New scan, first scan. I must get values here and results. So another one. Oops, no results found. Let's try another process. No. Okay, I got 2 values, 2 results. So let me let me feed some monsters to make sure that it's the correct value and it's the correct process for the game and in the emulator. So let me feed this monster. Thalassa. Let me feed him. As you see, the value in red, it means that the value changed. Let's see the previous value. The previous value was this, and this value is the value right here. So yeah, as you see, we found the correct process to our game that link us to the game or the emulator. So yeah, our job here to find the gems. New scan, first scan. As you see, we got a lot of results found here. So let's decrease our gems. In my case, I'm gonna decrease my gems and finish this instantly. As you see, I have 5 right now. Next scan. As you see, I have 2 values right here. So let me change both of them to 999999. Okay. And if I click on this plus, that it's near to 5 and the gems right here, as you see, I have 10 million right here, which is good thing. So yeah, to make this method works, or to make this method work and you can buy whatever you want or something like that, and the game won't reload with you and tells you that something is not working correct. All the thing that you want to do is unplug the internet cable. In my case, I'm unplugging it right now. So yeah, wait a little longer till till the icon of the internet is gone, showed right here, and then you will buy whatever you want. Okay, here we go. The internet is gone right here. As you see, if I buy anything I want, let me buy some monsters, then monsters, no, let me buy some mythic monsters. Let's go to rarity, mythic. Mythic, there is no mythic right here. So let me buy a legendary monster. Let me go to storage. Okay, as you see, here is my legend monster. Yeah. Let me buy another one. Let me buy Islands. Buy this one. No, I don't want to share. No. So yeah, as you see, I just brought this one. Let me speed up this. Finish instantly. So yeah, as you see, the game quit.